Hey everybody, welcome back to the Great Smoky Mountains Heritage Center. I'm Trevor, the curator here, and today we're going to be talking about non-native invasive species. We're going to look around just our 10-acre property and see what invasive species we can find. And in fact, just in this fence row right behind me, we have several that we'll talk about. The first one I'll mention is one of the most obvious right now because it's in full bloom. It blooms in mid to late spring, and that is the Rosa multiflora. This originated in Southeast Asia and was brought here for decorative purposes, but it found an environment that it really likes, and it self-sows freely. And we have probably 4 or 5 versions of this plant across the property right now where it has self-sown freely. And the problem with this rose may not seem so obvious. It's beautiful, it smells great, the bees love it, but as with any invasive species, it forces out native species, and it's dominating the landscape here. And a word of warning with a lot of the invasive species we'll look at today, including the Multiflora rose behind me, a lot of them are still commercially available. So please be careful when you do your shopping for your garden and make sure you're not buying an invasive species that's going to take habitat away from native species.